Simplify 2 over brackets 3 plus 4i plus 4 over brackets 2 plus I. Here we could multiply by the complex conjugate for this number and also this separately and then combine them together, or we can cross multiply and then tidy it up and adopt the same process. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cross multiply, tidy up what we get first of all. So let's cross multiply here, 2 lots of 2 plus I, and then cross multiply here, so it's plus 4 lots of 3 plus 4i, and underneath we'll have the product of the denominators, so it's 3 plus 4i times by 2 plus I. Let's see what we get when we expand the brackets. So that equals then 4 plus 2i here, so the 2 runs through the both of them, and then 4 3s are 12, and then 4 4s are 16, so it's 16i. That's on top then. Underneath we get 3 2s are 6, 3 times I is 3i, then we get 4 times 2 is 8i, and lastly we get 4 times 1 is 4, and an I squared which is minus 4. So we end up with then 4 plus 12 is 16, and the i's, 2 plus 16 is 18i, all divided by 6 minus 4 is 2, 3 plus 8 is 11 lots of I. Now we can multiply by the complex conjugate of the denominator, so we times by 2 minus 11i here, top and bottom. So we can put that in here straight away, and that equals 2 then. So we got 16 times 2 is the first term, 32. And then the second, 16 times minus 11, well that would be a minus. 16 times 10 is 160, and another 16 is 176. So it's minus 176 i's. Then we've got 18 2's is 36, so it's plus 36i. And then lastly, 18 11's, well 18 10's are 180. And then another 18, so it's 198 with a minus, 198. But there's also an I squared, so that makes that a plus, doesn't it? All divided by, if I can draw a straight line, it might help. The conjugate, these are conjugates, so we just get 2 squared is 4. And we'll end up with the I squared is minus, plus goes with the other minus to make a plus. 11 11's are 121. There we go. So what have we got then? We've got 32 and 198. That's 200 if you add the 2 first, and then 30 more. So it's 230. Minus 176 plus 36 is minus 140. I divided by 121 plus 4 is 125. Now there's a 5 common, top and bottom, isn't there? And we can split the fraction up. So I'm going to do that all in one fell swoop. So 230 divided by 5 is 46. 46 over, and divide that by 5 is 25. Are we all happy that I just doubled the 23 to get 46 when you divide by 5? The same goes here, this will be 28, won't it? Double the 14. So you get 28 minus 28 i's over the 25. So we split the fraction up as well. Oops. There we go. There's the answer.